Dear viewers, greetings from Dr. P. Saranraj. This video is about an introduction to the bacteria. First, the general characteristics of the bacteria. The bacteria are the important members of the microbial family. It belongs to the category of prokaryotes, and the name bacterium was first introduced in the year 1828 by the scientist Christian Gottfried Ehrenberg. Regarding the cellular nature, the bacteria are unicellular in nature. The term bacterium is representing the singular term, and the bacteria means the plural. This is the difference. Bacterium means singular, bacteria means plural. The bacteria are measured in micrometer, and the mode of reproduction in the bacteria is asexual mode and by binary fission method. The bacterial cell wall is made up of the peptidoglycan, but some other bacteria like Mycoplasma species like this cell wall. And locomotion, some bacteria are motile due to the presence of flagella, and few are non-motile in nature. And based on the GC content in the DNA, the bacterial species are categorized into three categories. First one is the actinobacteria, second one is the firmicutes, third one is the tenoricutes. The actinobacteria is previously called as actinomycetes, and the GC content in the actinobacteria is very high. And the examples for the actinobacteria includes the Frankia species, which is very well known as nitrogen fixing bacteria in the cashew nut tree. And next to the Streptomyces species, the very important species which are highly involved in the antibiotics production like streptomycin, etc. The next one is the firmicutes. The firmicutes are the bacteria which are containing low GC content. The examples of the firmicutes include the Megasphaera, Pectinatus, Selenomonas, and Zymophilus. These are all the examples for firmicutes. And the next category is the tenoricutes. The tenoricutes are the categories which does not have the cell wall. The examples of the tenoricutes are the Mycoplasma species, Spiroplasma species, Ureaplasma species, and Phytoplasma species. For the bacterial species which does not have the cell wall, the primary layer is the plasma membrane. So the name of the cell wall lacking bacteria are ended with the name Mycoplasma, Spiroplasma, Ureaplasma, and Phytoplasma like that. Because for all these organisms, the primary layer is the plasma membrane. So the name of the particular species are end with the name plasma. Next, the regarding largest bacteria, the Thiomargarita namibiensis is regarded as the largest bacteria, and it is gram-negative cocci. It belongs to the alpha portobacteria category, and the mode of nutrition is it is chemolithotrophic in nature. That is the chemotropes and lithotroph combination nutrition is the type of nutrition present in the Thiomargarita namibiensis. And the species are found in the ocean sediments of the coast of Namibia in the year 1999. So these bacterial species are named as Thiomargarita namibiensis. And these species are large enough to visible to the naked eye, and its size ranging from 0.1 to 0.3 millimeter or 100 to 300 micrometer in diameter. Because of its largest size, we can able to see the Thiomargarita namibiensis without the help of the microscopes. Next, the longest bacteria is the Epilophysium fisheloni, and these are the gram-positive rods. And this bacterial species was first discovered in the gut of surgeonfish. So this species are named as the Epilophysium fisheloni. And regarding the size, these species are also large enough to be seen with the naked eyes at 600 nanometer. And without the help of microscope, we can able to visualize this particular bacteria with our naked eye. And regarding the size, these bacteria are million times larger than E. coli and Bacillus species. Next, the smallest bacteria are the Mycoplasma genitalium. And this Mycoplasma genitalium lives in the primate bladders, waste disposal organs, genital and respiratory tracts. Because of this habitat, it is named as Mycoplasma genitalium. And the size is measured about 200 nanometer to 300 nanometer in diameter. Usually the viruses are measured in nanometer, but here because of its very small size, the Mycoplasma genitalium is also measured as nanometer. And the next category is cyanobacteria, and it is also known as cyanophyta. And this phylum of bacteria obtain its genealogy through the photosynthesis mode from the sunlight. And they are the only photosynthetic prokaryotes that can able to produce the oxygen. The name cyanobacteria comes from the color of the bacteria blue because the term cyano represents the blue color. Because of its blue color nature, this cyanobacteria are named as the blue color bacteria are named as cyanobacteria. And cyanobacteria are the prokaryotes. They are used to be called blue-green algae, and recently they have been renamed as cyanobacteria in order to avoid the term algae, because the term algae is restricted to the eukaryotes, but the cyanobacteria belong to the prokaryotes. So in order to avoid the term of algae, the blue-green algae was renamed as cyanobacteria. The study of bacteria is called as bacteriology, and the father of bacteriology is Robert Koch. Thank you.